explain what it is within. I can't stand repetition, my brain shuts off when there is an ambition. Where do you go from here? All I see is the same, nothing near a mere sound, a word here. Listen, you can quicken. What if you worked with rather than against the grain? Would the rhythm shift? Would the outcome be the same? Do you have an ear? If so, listen, don't fear as you work from the hours of now and here. Because time doesn't pause for doubt in the mind. It moves like a current, you either resist or align. Most drift in circles, repeating the frame, chasing echoes of comfort, mistaking it for change. But somewhere in silence a question appears, a whisper that cuts through the noise of the years. It tastes, are you building or just standing still? Are you shaping the moment or bending to will? So listen a little deeper than before, past the surface rhythm, beneath the core. There's a pulse in the chaos, a pattern unseen, a path through the static where the mind stays keen. And maybe the answer was never out there, not hidden in voices or caught in the air. Maybe it lives in the spark you defend, the courage to question where things truly begin.